Walking over here. Let people start getting on the view. Our WashMart family. Maybe you could go share it, or do you have your phone? I'm just going to show these off while we wait. We are about to get started. Hey everybody.
I don't know how to, it's changed how you share this. I have no idea how to share this anymore.
Oh, it's okay. You got some people watching now.
All right.
It is such a beautiful day outside.
I know it's not 102 degrees like it has been for, well, I can't figure it out, so, all right. Here we go.
Aubrey Harris, Marco.
Last week we chatted real quick and
We're liquidating some discontinued items. It's going to be a closeout. This is Chloramate. I completely forgot that we even had this. It's similar to WashScript, but it does not have the odor enhancer, and it's not quite as sudsy.
Well, I kind of wanted to tell people before we went into the sales what we're doing.
Oh, so we're doing a closeout on a lot of products that we're no longer carrying. We have a bunch of mismatched hose reels. We have fittings that we no longer use. For instance, the brass. We are going to stop carrying brass altogether, except for these, just because I can't even find these in stainless. This is going to be the 1/2-inch male pipe threaded by 3/8 coupler. Why do you like this? Well, it's for a hose reel. The hose reel has a 1/2-inch FPT, and this makes it where you don't have to use a hex bushing like most people have to do whenever they're building up their own pressure washer trailer rig, or yeah, basically that's it. So we're still going to have that in brass, but the rest, it's going to be stainless across the board. I don't really care for the zinc. The zinc, these oxidize and they get stuck and they get impossible to take off. So we are going to be liquidating a lot of products that it's not aligned with our cleaning business, and that's the direction we're going. Is for the people that follow what we do, we're mostly a fleet washing company. We do commercial washing as a side hustle, but residential cleaning is not our market. We only wash residential for our customers. If you wash trucks and commercial buildings, you know what that means. And so we're fine tuning it, because I used to have 12 different trigger guns that we carry. It's going to be knocked down to like 6 different trigger guns, because that's the only one that I actually use for my cleaning fleet. And I don't see the value in selling a bunch of things just because one person likes that gun or one person likes that lance. We're going to fine tune it to where on the lances, we're only going to have the 13, 36, 47, and 59-inch lances. That's going to be what we're going to have across the board. And then we're going to have the dual lances. I believe they're the 33. These are the 33 or the 40?
I would like to get the 49-inch. I'd like to know from people if you want the 49-inch. We'll have to sell Marco on it.
You'll have to sell me on it. But I'm not too keen on it.
If there are parts you're seeing in the video, we want to know if there's something you do want us to carry, because we're carefully selecting everything and minimizing.
Yes. A lot of the black pressure hose we won't be carrying. It's going to be gray pretty much across the board. The only black hose that I'm really going to carry are the 100-foot 2-wire black, and then the 1/2-inch. The 1/2-inch, that's mostly for the hydro excavation guys anyways.
We have these in stock ready to go.
Oh yeah, we have plenty of these. These are not discontinued. These are all freaking flyers.
Yeah, they are not discontinued. I just want to show you, Efren made up a whole bunch of them.
Oh yeah, we have quite a few made. We're going to have those ready to go. The 1/2-inch quick connects, we're always going to stock those, because for the industrial market, they're frequent flyers.
We're selling these.
Oh yeah, crankcase oil. Yeah, this is going to be for pumps. So everybody says, what do you recommend for a pump? This is the pump oil that AR sells us, and it's a
And you can use that in any pump?
Yes.
Or just AR?
You can use it in any pump. It doesn't have to be AR. So the nozzles.
These are going on special.
We're streamlining some of these nozzle kits. We're going to be carrying these sizes, this size, this, and this. Very few people use 7.5, 7, 6.5, 3.5, the 5, and the 5.5. Those are really just odd size nozzle kits. We're going to keep it streamlined.
How much is the 4 nozzle 24-inch spray bar off the top of your head? Do you know?
For which size surface cleaner?
It was the 24-inch. The
24-inch ground force. It's right around $100, $110. That we're going to keep in stock. So to keep it simple, because these are the only surface cleaners that I use the 21-inch Mosmatic. I use the 16-inch Ultra Clean, 19-inch Heavy Duty Classic, 24-inch Ground Force, 28-inch Big Guy. I use the 18 and the 20-inch Hammerhead. I have all of those surface cleaners in my cleaning fleet. I'm only going to stock the parts for the ones that I use. What's that?
I was telling Aubrey you're welcome.
Oh, so we're going to carry the spray bars. Like, for instance, this one, I used to use the Maxima. I hate how heavy they are. This is my last bar. We're not restocking this. Once we're out of bars, we're going to be sending you over to Lori Smith over at Pressure Washer Products for all the stuff that we don't carry, because I don't have a Maxima anymore, so I'm never going to use this. I don't sell the Maximas because I don't like them personally. I like the Big Guy. The Maximas are really heavy. They're also really expensive to ship. Some people like them because they like having, it's basically a 36-inch ground force. I just don't like how heavy they are. That's the main reason why I don't like them. It's the same
Does
reason.
anybody have a benefit on why you do prefer that one? Despite
People
how
that-
heavy it is.
People that have a strong back don't mind.
Oh.
Trent really liked that surface cleaner.
Okay.
So Trent actually
Yeah.
preferred that one over the Big Guy. He's like, that's the one he liked. That's the one he used whenever he was cleaning for us, because I had 2 on my fleet back then, and that's the only one he liked using was that 36-inch. That's all we used, and he loved it. I just personally, as I'm aging, my back hurts more, and I want smaller surface cleaners because my body is not the way it was when I started this 8 years. I was 29 when I started this.
We have a lot more gray hair just since we got married.
Mosmatic, we're going to stock 2 different bars. This is the ones we've always stocked. We have the 3-tip and the 2-tip. The only Mosmatic I'm stocking is the 21-inch. That's the only one that I use.
Do you prefer that 3-tip bar?
I do prefer the 3-tip bar. So if you're running a 5.5 gallon, do 3 2502s. If you're running an 8 gallon a minute, do 3 2503s. That's pretty much it. If you're running a 10 gallon a minute, well, I don't use a 10 gallon a
You
minute.
can talk about our tips real quick. We're moving everything over to V-Jet instead of the Meg.
Yes, we're moving over to V-Jet. So as the
price
Megs
is
are
gonna go
gone,
up a little bit.
the prices already, I think, have gone up. We already did the price adjustment, but as the Megs are gone, they're going to be replaced with V-Jets. The only ones that we're still going to have Meg on are going to be from Mosmatic, because Mosmatic used 1/8 of an inch instead of a 1/4 inch on the spray bar.
They make V-Jet 1/8 inch.
I haven't seen them, I haven't sourced them, and I haven't created a part number for them.
And the reason we were sold on the V-Jet is people said they were willing to pay a little bit extra
Yes.
for a nozzle that would last longer.
Yes, and they like the spray pattern more. I like the V-Jet nozzles. I think they're worth the extra $3 a nozzle. If
You get the same performance with either one, though. That's what I came down to the conclusion with all the testing. Same performance.
Same performance.
It
They
just
last longer.
outlasts it a little bit longer.
I feel like people call and complain. I just like the V-Jets personally. The Megs, they wear down faster, is what I notice. If you're doing a lot of residential and you're dealing with a lot of sand, which is always on people's driveways whenever you're cleaning the dirt off, you have this erosion, and it always is on here and here.
Well, Whisper Wash came out with these sleeves that I want to start giving to the ones that we're carrying when we get rid of this closeout stuff. And you put it on here, and it helps protect your spray bars, so where all these wear down and everything.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I didn't even
So
know
I
about
want
those.
to carry those in the future, within the next month or so.
We have a whole lot of one-wire hose. We've been out of stock historically forever, but we have quite a bit of 100-footers of one-wire. So if you're looking for the 4,000 PSI gray 100-footers, we have plenty of them.
A bunch of general pump casters.
Oh yeah, the general pump casters.
And a hammerhead swivel if you need it.
That's no, this is actually the Whisper Wash swivel. It's
Is
just
it?
gonna, yeah, this
Oh,
is
and
just
this
in
one's the
wrong bin.
hammerhead.
Yeah.
No, this one's the.
That's the one for the Vortex or BE Whirlaway. Once
Oh.
that one's discontinued. So if you have a BE Whirlaway and you need a swivel, I have one left.
That
we
one's
don't.
a closeout.
Yeah, we don't sell the BE Whirlaway. This is going to be the replacement. This is going to be something
What
that's
are
going to be on the closeout. This is a Mosmatic conversion kit. So some people like these because they like the Mosmatic swivel over using the Hammerhead swivel, or they don't want to use the Whisper Wash swivel. You can adapt this to the surface cleaner and then use the Mosmatic swivel. Ron Musgraves actually uses these, and that's how I ended up finding out about them, and I started stocking them literally just for Ron. Guys. So,
Ron, you need any?
all right. These Cox reels, once they're gone, we're not restocking them. We're sticking with the general pumps. We've had very few issues with the general pump hose reels. The only thing I don't like about them is the cheap swivel that comes on them, but whenever it breaks, just get a super swivel. But we do have one electric Cox reel and 2 manuals. And then the Valley reels, they don't make these like this anymore. I haven't seen the new ones. I don't know if we're going to be stocking these. I'm not really a big proponent of electric reels. Some people are, but as you grow with employees, I don't like employees running electric hose reels.
That's the difference. If it's just you, you want an electric reel. If you have employees,
Yep. Yeah, if you're
manual.
working on your own stuff.
Sorry, I'm gonna set that down. Oh. Just because I want to see.
Yeah, because Amber's.
I want to show them the reel.
Well, we have one in the showroom. We don't have to take it out of the box. We
No,
have
I don't
one
want to take it out. I was just showing them.
Oh, this.
It's
yeah.
the 12-inch aluminum.
Yep, 12-inch aluminum. It's stainless guts. Oh, we have some of these GF metering valves. $100 a pop. I found these on accident in the move. I think we have like 8 of these because I have some more in the
So
back.
that's a good closeout.
Yes.
Trudy might need those.
Well, I guess we could have offered these to Trudy first or somebody else. But yeah, these are the GF metering valves. We don't do soft wash anything anymore.
Oh,
so.
we have fuel tanks.
Yep, we do have fuel tanks, hot boxes. We have quite a few hot boxes. We also have
Raj.
Hey, Raj. We also have a DIY hot box if you want to put one together and save some money. If you
We
want
are liquidating these, and this
Yep.
one's still on sale. This used one you had for, what was it, 9,000?
9,500.
9,500?
Yeah, 9,500.
Landa refurbished.
We have a good price on these Honda mufflers. If you got a GX 630, 690, 700, 800, we're selling these $100 a pop. We are not making shit on these, but we found out in the move that we had a whole lot of them. So there's where we're at.
Kohler CH440s.
Little Kohler CH440s. I'm not really so eager to sell those like I used to.
Well, we still need to get them out there on
Yep.
closeout. We have some X1097s.
X1097, yeah, we still have plenty of those. We have plenty of materials to make some more of those. Those are going to be the 3,000 PSI at 5.5 gallon a minute key start machines.
And these frames were moving, right?
Yes, those are for the diesels. You can make it with the Kohler or Kubota. It's a DIY. It's one of the really heavy duty ones that Fred built whenever we were doing a lot of those belt driven systems.
Another manufacturing store,
Yep.
pressure washer manufacturer would benefit from those.
Yes. We're also selling the jig for anybody that wants to build their own.
Oh.
HD Brightenol. I don't use it in the field. I don't really know how to sell this stuff because I've never used it. It's a product that we carry just kind of for the hell of it.
Well,
We're
let's
gonna
freaking use it and see.
I don't even know what it's for. I just stocked it.
I'll do the research. We'll do a video.
You can do the
later.
research, but we're going to have this discounted because I don't ever use it. EBC Restore, this will have at a better price. This is not something that we're going to be carrying moving forward, but we're still going to carry Glide and the degreaser. The Restore, it's been a product that I don't really use out in the field, and I don't really understand the product. And if I don't understand the product, I'm not good at selling it. Let's see here. Polished stone cleaner from EcoChem. We bought that for the request of the customer, and then they backed out of buying it, so we're going to have that at a pretty good price. And then our soaps, none of this stuff's on special. This stuff we're going to be continuously selling. The undone graffiti removal. We
have lots of surfactant.
We have plenty of surfactant.
When are we getting more Taganator in?
Taganator, it's already on order. So yeah, we it's
just
already on
don't know
order.
when it's
Yeah,
coming in.
we do need that Taganator.
We have brushes, skirts.
Brushes, skirts. We're still going to carry skirts for the whisper washes because I need them, except this one. This is the 36-inch skirt. Once this 36-inch skirt is gone, I'm not restocking it because I no longer have a maximum.
So let's close it out.
Yep. Pumps. We've got a good price on these these are 10-gallon a minute AR pumps. If you're wanting to put together your own DIY 10-gallon a minute, we have 1-inch gearboxes that can go onto a Predator. We have 1 and 1/8-inch gearboxes that can go on a Honda GX690 or IGX 800. And we have these 10-gallon a minute pumps. We still have quite a few. So if you're needing a 10-gallon a minute, we found these in the middle of the move. So those, we're going to be aggressive on the pricing. We have some DIY base plates. If you're mechanically inclined, and I emphasize on mechanically inclined, we have some belt drive base plates where you can mount your own machine. Turbo nozzles. We're only going to be carrying the 457s moving forward. If you see that we have a 456 or a 357, those are going to be discounted. 457s is going to be the ones that we're going to carry. These K7 unloaders, and I'm going to let these go for like $110 a piece. We can do a good price on these
Could
guys. We still have a
I
handful.
throw in a closeout item in every order that's placed?
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah, absolutely.
Like unloaders or turbo nozzles.
Yes.
Good stuff. Okay.
Yeah, we could do that. We also have a lot of rebuild kits. We're not going to carry the rebuild kits for the 357s and the 456s. We have a lot. So if you have a turbo nozzle that's broken, call us. If it's a Suttner, we may have the rebuild kit. So that's something else to look at. We're still going to carry X-Jet. We're still going to carry the M5 twists. We're not. Those are not on special.
We're still carrying bleach.
Yep, still carrying bleach. Oh, these rebuild kits. Most of these we're going to continue carrying because most of these rebuild kits are the ones that we carry for the pumps that we use to manufacture machines and the ones for our own cleaning fleet. So we're still going to have a lot of the rebuild kits. We carry Comet, General Pump, and AR. So if you have a TS 2021, we carry the Kit 1, the Kit 69. If you have a TSF 2021, we carry the Kit 169 and the 170. If you have a TSF 2221, we have that Kit 173 that you need. So if you have those pumps, along with many others, we carry the rebuild kits for those pumps.
Are we, these are closeout, right?
Yeah, these
Once
are closeout. Yeah, once these are gone, we don't do
we have
soft
another
wash
box
anymore.
right here.
Yeah, we got more of them down here. Once we sell those, we're not restocking them. So that's pretty much it. That's what we have to go over.
Can we go cover some of these burner repair parts that we have?
Oh yeah. So we carry mostly igniters, and this is the stuff that we're going to be carrying more of. Instead of us selling whole machines, we're going to be selling a lot of the rebuild kits and rebuild parts. So for a lot of you guys that are also starting a little power washer store that are needing to be able to get a source for your parts, hit us up. We're going to have igniters for your 12 volt and 120 volt igniters. We're going to have, we already have the fuel pumps, those SunTech fuel pumps. We usually get them with a solenoid. We get also ones without a solenoid. We carry recoils for the Kohlers. So if you have a Kohler 440, we carry the recoil starter. We also carry them for the Honda GX390, which is going to be this right here. We carry these for the Honda GX390. Along with a lot of other rebuild kits.
Pull cords.
Pull cords. We do carry pull cords. Air filters for the Hondas. This is for a Wayne burner. That's a tune-up kit for a Wayne burner. So if you have a Delco, you probably have a Wayne burner. We also carry fuel filters.
What do y'all think about my new logo on there?
Yeah, WashMart.com, fuel filters. We also have the housing. So if you're building your own heated system and you're needing a housing, this is the housing that attaches to the fuel filters. We carry these as well. We carry a lot of them because every time we build a hot water power washer, we will have them.
I think people are getting bored. We're only down to 2 people now.
Oh, all right. Well, hell, this is Marco, WashMart.com. Thank you for watching.